Okay, this brute force is one of the algorithm design techniques, right? Technique. Brute force is one of the algorithm design technique. Algorithms based on the brute force is used to solve the algorithms based on the problem statement. Okay, so the example for brute force, all the searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, this exhaustive search methods. Okay, exhaustive search method is used to examine all the possibilities, right? All the possibilities. Among all the possibilities, we can find the optimal solution, right? We can find the optimal solution. This optimal solution may be minimum value or maximum value, okay? Minimum value or maximum value. In this traveling salesman problem, we are going to find the minimum value, right? We are going to find the shortest distance. Shortest distance is minimum value, okay? So the problem description of traveling salesman problem is, which is used to find the shortest path or distance, which contains n cities. The aim of traveling salesman problem is that particular traveling salesperson has to visit all the cities exactly once, right? This traveling salesman problem is working based on Hamiltonian circuit, okay, which starts and ends at the same vertex and visit all the vertices exactly once. And visit all the vertices exactly once. This is called as traveling salesman problem, right? Consider this example. We have four cities such as A, B, C, and D, right? The vertices are called as cities. Vertices are called as cities. Okay. This H values are the distance between two cities. H value is distance between two cities. Okay. Now, the first possible path is A, B, D, C, and A. Okay. So the distance from A to B is 2, B to D is 3, D to C is 1, C to A is 5. Total distance traveled is 11. Okay. Similar way, the second distance is next is, tell me the third distance. Wait a minute. Tell me the third possible tour.
மேம் எங்களுக்கு ஸ்கிரீன் தெரியல மேம், உங்க விண்டோ தான் மேம் தெரியுது.
Yeah, wait a minute. What is the third possible tour?
ஏசி
Mm. Okay. AC,
டி
A to C, to
பிஏ.
D, D to B, B to A. Okay. Now we visited all the four cities such as A, B, C, D. Again, we reached the same distance, A. Okay. Now, what is the distance? A to C distance is 5.
5.
Yeah. Plus
5
C.
plus 1 plus
Mm,
3 plus
mm,
2.
2. Right. What is the total distance traveled?
11.
11. Okay. What is the next point? A. A to D.
ADBCA.
A to D. D
D
to
to
B. B
D to
to
B, ma'am.
C. Yeah. Again from
B to C.
C to A. Right. Now visited all the four cities. Again reached the same source. Okay. Now What's the distance from A to D is 7 plus D to B 3 plus B to C 8 plus C to A 5. Okay. What is the total value?
23.
23. Okay. What is the next possible path? A to next possible path. Tell me the next
A to
possible
B,
path.
A to B,
Yeah. Mm.
B to C,
Okay.
C to D,
Okay.
D to A.
Okay. D to A. Yes. Now A to B is 2 plus B to C is 8
8.
plus C to D is 1. Yeah. Plus C to D 1, D to A 8. Right? Total value is
18.
18, 18, 19, right?
Ma'am, 18 only, ma'am.
19, pa. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 2,
Ma'am,
18,
D to A
19.
வந்து 7 தானே ma'am.
B to A. Okay, okay. B to A is, where is it? B to A 7. Yeah, B to A. Yes, this is 7. So 18. Okay, right. Next, what is another one path? One more path is there. What is another path? We
A,
have
C, B, D, A, ma'am.
yeah, via A to C.
C to B,
Yes. Mm, 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 mm. Next is B to,
B to D, D to A.
yeah. Total distance traveled is A to C, it is 5. C to B, 8. B to D, 3. D to A, 8. Okay,
23,
what is
ma'am.
the total value? 23. Okay, pa. So among this, so now we examined all the possible choose. We have 6 paths, right? 6 possible choose. Among the 6 possible tour, which is the minimum distance?
11, ma'am.
11, right? So this is one of the optimal solution. Again, we have another one optimal solution, this path. Okay. So this traveling salesman problem is to find the shortest path, right? To find the shortest path, we have to we have to examine all the possible choose, right? And now we have 6 possible choose. Among the 6 possible choose, we need to select the optimal solution. We need to select the shortest path, right? So the shortest path is these 2 paths, right? These 2 are the optimal solutions. So the aim of traveling salesman problem is find the minimum distance, right? That is minimum value, shortest value, that is minimum distance. Okay. Next, the next topic is,
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
yeah.
மேம் இப்போ நம்ம இதுல வந்து எல்லாத்துலயும் ஏல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோம் மேம்.
Yes.
இப்போ
So
பில
this
இருந்து
is
ஸ்டார்ட்
right.
பண்ணாலும் ஆப்டிமல் சொல்யூஷன் சேமா தான் வருமா
So
மேம்?
in the first paper, yeah, same that, right? Source is B, again the destination is B. Okay. So in the question paper, most probably they won't give you the, you can assume it is A, right? If the city names are in 1, 2, 3, 4, you can assume the sources. Clear, everyone? Most probably they won't give the source name, right? So you can consider the source as A. Clear, everyone? Otherwise, you can consider it as 1. If the city names are in 1 to numeric, if the city names are in numeric, you can consider it as 1. If it is in alphabets, you can consider as A. Clear? If they mention the sources B means, you can start from B, again end the tour in B. Clear? Optimal solution will be same. Clear, pa? Your doubt is
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yeah. The next topic is knapsack problem. Okay. In the exhaustive search, the second method is knapsack problem. Exhaustive search is used to examine all the possibilities. Among these possibilities, we can find the optimal solution. The optimal solution may be a minimum value or the maximum value. Okay. Now the real-time example for knapsack problem is, okay, the knapsack problem is most valuable object, right? Most valuable object. Now tell me, we are whether we need to find minimum value or maximum value here.
Maximum value, ma'am.
Maximum value, good, right? In traveling salesman, we found the minimum value. Here the problem description is to find the most valuable objects. We need to find the maximum value, right? Now the problem statement of knapsack problem is consider n objects such as n equivalent to 1, 2 up to n, right? Each and every object associated with weight W, value V, okay? Each and every object associated with weight, value, weight and value. Weight is represented as W, value is represented as V. Next, capacity is capital K, right? Capital K is capacity. Capital K is capacity. The real-time example for knapsack problem is, consider a thief who wants to steal the most valuable objects fit into his knapsack. Consider knapsack is bag. Okay, knapsack is a bag. Okay, knapsack is a bag. Consider now a thief steals some products, some objects from the home, right? What he will do, he will find the most valuable objects. Okay. This is the real-time example for knapsack. Now, the first is the bag. It's not moving. The first is the bag, knapsack. So capital K is capacity. Now capital K equivalent to 10. Okay, capital K equivalent to 10, right? Now W, V is nothing but weight and value. W is weight, V is value, right? Now consider the example. So we have 4 objects. We have 4 objects. 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? 4 objects. Object is I, weight is W. Each and every object associated with weight and value. Each and every object associated with weight and value. Okay. Now the weight and value of object 1 is 7 and 42. The weight and value of object 2 is 3, and value of object 3 is 4 and 40. The weight and value of object 4 is 5 and 25, right? So total capacity is 10. K equivalent to 10. These are your inputs. Okay, these all are the inputs. Now we are going to find the output table. This is the output table. Total set, total value, right? So now we have to write the subset as, initially the subset is null. Next is the subset is 1. Next the subset is 2. Next the subset is 3. Next the subset is 4. Okay, because in the input we have 4 values, right? So stop up to single subset 4. Next, two sets, 1 comma 2, right? Next we can write 1 comma 3. Next we can write 1 comma 4. Next we can write 3 subsets. How to write 3 subsets? 1 comma 2 comma 3. Next is 1 comma 2 comma 4, right? Next subset is 1 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, any other possible 3 subsets? 1 2
2
3
3
1.
4 ma'am.
Yeah. Next is 2 3 4. Any other possible? It should not be repeated. Any other possible subsets here? No. 4 subsets. Now we can write the 4 subsets. 1 2 3 4. Okay, that's all. Okay, any other subsets? That's it. So initially, subset.
Ma'am, 2
Initial
comma
subset
4, those things will be there, no ma'am.
2 comma 4, yes. Now 2 comma 3. Next 2 comma 4.
3 comma 4.
Yeah, 3 comma 4. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 was already repeated. Okay. Any other? 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4 3 4. That's it. Any other possibilities? So
No
these
ma'am.
are not the possibilities, right? So exhaustive search method is used to find the possibilities, right? Used to find the possibilities. These all are the possibilities. Now, initially write the subset. Subset means null, 0 weight, 0 value. Next subset is 1. Now, what is the weight of 1 in the example table? Weight of 1,
7 ma'am.
7. What is the value of 1?
42.
42. Now, next subset is 2, right? What is the weight of 2?
3.
3 and 12. Okay. Next subset is 3. What is the weight and value?
4 and 40.
4 and 40. Next subset is 4. What is the weight and value of 4? 5.
5 and 25.
Yes. Next. What is the next subset? 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. Now we have to add the weights of 1 and 2, right? Add the weights of 1 and 2. We need to add the values of 1 and 2, right? Now, what are the weights of 1 and 2?
7 and 3.
7 plus 3 equivalent to 10. What about the value of 1 and 2? 42.
54.
Yeah, plus 12, which is 54. What about next set? 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 is
11.
totally 11.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Next is
11 and 82.
okay. 82. Next is 1 comma 4. What about 1 comma 4?
12. 12 and 67.
Yes. Next is 2 comma 3. What
7.
about 2 comma 3?
52.
7 and 52. Okay. Next is 3, 4. What about 3, 4?
9 and 65.
9 and 65. Okay. Next possible subset is 4, 2, right? 4, 3 is there. 4, 2 is not there. So subset is 4, 2 or 2, 4. Yeah. What is the value? Weight
8.
8. Value is
8 and
30,
36. 36,
37.
ma'am. 37, ma'am.
Yes, 37. Next, 3 subsets. What are the 3 subsets? Initially 1, 2, 3, right? Now, what is the total weight?
14.
14, yeah. Next is, this total value is
94.
94. Okay, next. Next is set
1 to 4.
1, 3, 4, right? What is the value? 1, 3, 4
16.
value 16. Weight
Weight தான் மேம் 16. வேல்யூ வந்து
yeah. Value 1, 3, 4, 40, 80, 100,
107, ma'am.
107, right? Yes. Next is 1, 3, 4. Next to 1, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, right? What is the weight? 1,
12.
3, 4 weight is 12. Value was 40, 60, 70, 77.
77, ma'am.
Yes. What is the next? Next value was 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4 we did not write, ma'am.
2, 3, 4, we just wrote 2, 3, 4. Yes, the previous one is 2, 3, 4. What you have said?
1 to 4
to
ಇದಲ್ಲ
4, ma'am.
1, 2, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 4, right? What is the weight and value? Weight is
15.
15. Value is 50, 75, 79, right? What is the next possible set? Next possible set, or we can conclude up to this, right?
Ma'am,
So
94
similar way,
we will get, ma'am.
yeah, one more we'll calculate.
Ma'am, 1 to 4 க்கு வந்து 94 we will get, ma'am.
94, yeah. Yes. Okay. At last, one more will write. You need to write all the possibilities in the exam. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4 is 10.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. அது
19.
79 தான், ma'am.
Next value is which one? 2, 3, 4. 1.
Ma'am, இல்ல ma'am. 1 to 4 க்கு 79 தான், ma'am. நான் வேற எதுக்கு
79.
சொல்லிட்டேன்.
It's okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Weight is 19. What is the value? 40, 80,
119.
90 is 100.
119.
109. 119. Okay. Right? These all are the values and weights. Now, K equivalent to 10. K is the capacity, right? So now the total capacity of the bag is 10. Okay. So now the weight, this weight value should be less than or equivalent to capacity, bag capacity. Okay. Now this 7 is less than, right? 7 is less than bag capacity 10. Okay. 3 is also less than bag capacity 10. 4 is also less than capacity 10. 5 is less than capacity 10. This 10 is equal to the bag capacity 10, right? So this is the feasible solution. We need to compare all the values. This value exceeds the bag capacity, so not feasible solution. Okay, this is not feasible solution. Clear, pa? This is not feasible solution. 12 is greater than 10, also not feasible solution. This is not feasible. 14 is not feasible. 16 not feasible. 12 not feasible. 15 not feasible. 19 also not feasible. So this all are the not feasible solution. This all are the okay, but this all are the not feasible solution. Now this is 7 is less than 10. This is less than 10. This is also less than 10. Okay, pa. So now check this. We are going to consider these two solutions. Now tell me among these two, which is the optimal solution, pa? Among these two, which is the optimal solution? So the subset 1, 2, weight is 10, value is 54. So the 10 is equivalent to 10. We can keep the products, keep the objects 1 and 2 in the bag, right? We can keep the objects 1 and 2 in the bag. Another subset is 3, 4. The weight is 9. 9 is less than 10. So we can keep the objects 3 and 4 in the bag, right? But the value is for 1 and 2, value is 54. For 3 and 4, value is 65. So which one we can choose?
3 and 4, ma'am.
Yes, good. 3 and 4 because the cost is high, right? 3 and 4 is most valuable objects. Clear, pa? So we can. This is the optimal solution. This is the optimal solution. Okay, this is called as what? Optimal solution. Any doubts here? This topic is knapsack problem, which is used to find the most valuable objects. Okay, this is used to find the most valuable objects. Any doubts here? Any doubts in knapsack problem? We need to compare the weight and value, right? Weight should be less than or equivalent to the knapsack capacity. Okay. Then we have to find the value. Among this value, highest value we have to choose. Right. Next is assignment problem, right? So assignment problem is assign the job to the persons. Okay. So here we are going to find the minimum cost. Okay. Here we are going to find the minimum cost. Right. This assignment problem is used to find the jobs to the person. Okay, which is used to find the jobs to the persons. Now, in this we consider the 4 jobs and 4 persons. 4 jobs and 4. We are going to every person. Each job to every person, right? The condition in assignment problem is assign one job to one person.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
One job. So consider n jobs and n persons. Consider n jobs and n persons. We need to assign each job to every person. Each job to every person, right? Now, this matrix is called as cost matrix, C, right? C equivalent to cost matrix. So just write first in the matrix, first value was 9, 2, 7, 8. Next is 6, 4, 3, 7. Next is 5, 8, 1, 8. Next is 7, 6, 9, 4. Okay, this is called cost matrix. Okay, this is called as cost matrix. So now we have persons. Condition is assign to one person, assign one job to one person, right? So initially we are going to examine all the possibilities. Among all the possibilities, we are going to find the minimum cost, right? So this assignment problem is used to find the minimum cost. Assignment problem is used to find the minimum cost. Now, we are going to write all the possibilities. Now, the first possibility is write the 4 jobs 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 1, 3, 2, 4. These all are the job numbers: J1, J2, J3, J4. Okay, this all are the job numbers. This is called as Hungarian method. This method name is Hungarian method. This method is used to next we can write 1, 3, 2, 4. Next we can write 1. Initially we will complete the 2 series. That is 1, 2, 4, 3. Next start from 3. 1, 3, 2, 4. Next 1, 3, 4, 2. Right? Next. So 2, 3 over. Next write 4. 1, 4, 2, 3. Next combination is 1, 1, 4, okay. So for 1, we have 6 combinations, right? Next is 2. Again for 2, we have 6 combinations. So first number is 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 4, 3. Next is 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. Next is 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 4, 1, 2. Not 2. It should not be repeated. 3. Next is 2, 4, 3, 1. So now we got 6 combinations, right? Now tell me for 3. This is for 2. Now tell me the third combination. 3, 1, 2, 4, right? Next is, students, next tell me 3, 1, 4, and 2, right? Next is 3, 2, 1, comma 4. Next is 3, 2, 4, comma 1. Okay. Next, ma. Tell the next combinations.
4, 1, 2, 3.
No, 3 series. 3, comma 3, comma 4. Yes. 1, 2. Next is 3, 4, 2, comma 1. Okay. These are the 6 combinations of 3. Now tell me what is the next number? Any question? 3, 2. Okay. Next tell me 4, comma
1, 3, 2.
Yes, 3, 2. Next is 4, 2, 1, comma 3. Is it clear? Next is 4, 2, 3, comma 1. Next is 4, 3, 1,
3,
comma
1,
2.
comma 2. 4, 3, 2, comma 1.
4, 3, 2, comma 1. Yes, okay. So this method is called as Angorian method. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are going to assign 1, 2. Now tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So job 1 to assign to person 1, that is 9, plus job 2 is 2, plus job 3 is 7, plus 8. Okay, we assign job 1 to person 2, job 3 to person 3, job 4 to person 4. Okay, now what is the total cost of this assignment? 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 26. Clear, pa? Total cost is 20. Next, assign job 1 to person 1, 9, plus job 2 to person 2. Okay, that is 2. 9 plus 2 plus job 4 is person 3. Okay, now job 4 is 9. Job 4 is 9.
Ma'am, can't understand, ma'am, how you are taking this.
Okay, let me explain you again. Initially, consider 1, 2, 3, 4. This is person number and job number. Okay. Initially consider person assign this series 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means assign this job 1 to assign job number 1, that is 9 to job number 1 to person 1. Okay, 9. So that is 9. Next, assign job number 2 to person 2. That is 4. 9 plus 4 plus person job number 3 to person 3. That is 4. Okay. Now assign job number 4 to person 4. Okay, this is 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 8. Clear,
Yes, ma'am. Now it
everyone?
is clear,
9
ma'am.
plus 4 plus yeah, first assignment. See, the next series is 1, 2, 4 and 3. Okay. Now job 1 person 1, job 2 to person 2. Now job 3 to job 4 to which one? 1 to job 4 to person.
3, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Finally 3 to person 4. Okay. Is it clear, ma? Next 1, 2, 3.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 4.